In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Weebly editor from Square Online with this quick tutorial. Whether you're just getting started or you've been using Square Online for a while, accessing the Weebly editor can streamline the way you customize your site. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. To begin, you'll want to go to the Square dashboard. Open your internet browser and head over to the Square website by typing in the web address, or simply follow your usual bookmark or shortcut. Once there, sign in using your Square account credentials. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so to proceed with these steps, as this tutorial assumes you already have a Square Online account. Now that you're logged in, click on the Online option. You'll find this in the main navigation menu on the left-hand side of the Square dashboard. This is your gateway to manage your online store and gives you access to various tools provided by Square Online. Once you've clicked Online, you should see several options related to your store management. Here, look for the Sales Channels section. This is crucial as it connects all your online activities. Click on Sales Channels to move forward. This will lead you to an overview of the different platforms and tools that you can integrate with your Square Online experience, including Weebly. In the next step, look towards the upper left corner of the screen where you will find My Site. It may be slightly unassuming, but this link is your bridge to the Weebly part of your online management tools. Clicking on My Site will take you closer to the Weebly editor, which offers more detailed customization options for your web pages. Now that you've clicked My Site, you'll land on a dashboard that shows all your websites. From here, simply select the site you want to edit in Weebly. This page is straightforward and designed to help you manage your various sites efficiently. If you've got multiple sites, take a moment to ensure you're clicking on the correct one to avoid editing the wrong site. Once you've selected your site, you'll find yourself inside the Weebly editor, where you can start making changes to the layout, design, and content in a user-friendly environment. The Weebly editor is intuitive with drag-and-drop functionality to make the process of customization as seamless as possible. And that's it. By following these manageable steps, you can access the Weebly editor from your Square Online dashboard, allowing you to customize your site to better suit your needs. Whether you are looking to change the layout, add new features, or update content, the Weebly editor provides the tools you need, all integrated with your Square account for a cohesive online presence.